Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, empty the drawer and support it with one hand to stop it dropping. Identify the slide type, ball bearing or nylon, because release methods differ. Once located, press the inner lever or flip the clip. Make small incremental moves so the slide disengages. If screws hold the faceplate, loosen them first so the inner member can pull free. Keep hands clear of pinch points and use the flashlight to verify both sides are releasing simultaneously so the drawer stays balanced. Once done with the initial release, fully extend the drawer so you can access both slide tracks. You remove the drawer from the cabinet by tilting it slightly and pulling straight out. Make sure to disengage the opposite side release if it has one. Then, unscrew the slide from the drawer face and the cabinet carcass, keeping screws organized for reinstallation. If the slide is seized, apply penetrating spray and wait a few minutes. A few light taps with a plastic mallet help free corrosion without bending the track. Now remove any leftover slide pieces from the cabinet and drawer, keeping track of which part was the cabinet member versus the drawer member. Inspect mounting holes for stripped threads. If damaged, use a larger screw or wood filler and pre-drill. Make sure to clean out metal shavings and old grease so new slides seat properly. Finally, test fit the replacement or reassembled slide to confirm alignment and smooth travel. If it binds, recheck parallelism and fastener tightness. This troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.